Hey, what's up, guys? This is a quick video on just how to optimize your computer for free. This is for people that have, of course, hard drives, not SSDs. So a lot of times people get upset because your computer starts getting slower and slower with time of use of the computer. Majority of the time, it could be a virus. So what you're going to have to do first is do a virus scan. Make sure your computer's clean. After you do that, there's 3 little simple programs to optimize your computer good. First, you're going to go to a website called filehippo.com, and you're going to look for a program called CCleaner, which is right here in the popular downloads. Download that. When you're done, you're going to download another program called defrag. Download that. And last but not least, you're going to download another program. It's called Registry Defragment. There it is, Defragmenter. And then you're going to look for a program called Oslogics, or any other way you spell it. I don't know how. That's the way I spell it, or read it, in other words. It's a good, nice little program that defragments your registry. Download that. When you're done doing that, the first program that you're going to open after you downloaded those 3 programs is your CCleaner. Open it up. A lot of times I just run it. You can analyze it. I never do that. It's just to clean your hard drive. I just run the CCleaner a few times, and there it is. It's 0. Good. Second is your registry. Scan it. Make sure nothing's messed up there. Everything's clean. Good to go. And the third thing is your startup. You got to make sure that the main things that are running at the beginning of your computer is antiviruses or other little programs here and there that you really need at startup. If you have too many programs running at the beginning of your startup, it's going to make your computer take forever to start up. So any things that you really don't need, for example, for me, I don't need my webcam running at the beginning. I'll delete it. What it's doing is it's not deleting the program, it's deleting it from startup. So anything that you don't need, you just delete it. Like I said, make sure it's from the startup button right here, not uninstall, of course, because then you're going to uninstall your programs. So make sure it's startup. Delete the things that you don't need from startup. The main things I do suggest is, of course, your antivirus software. So when you're done with that, you're going to go to Defragler, and of course I'm not going to use it because I'm running an SSD, but I will use it for my storage, which is of course a hard drive. Always do it full defragment. I don't like to do those quick defragments. Full defragment is good. It might take 45 to an hour or a little bit more than an hour, depending on your hard drive. If you have a huge hard drive, it's going to take a long time, a few hours, maybe an hour or 2, depending on the speed of the hard drive too. So once that is done, you're going to open up that one program, which is a registry defragler, and you're going to analyze it, and then the software is going to tell you whether to defragment it or not. And if it does, it's going to ask you to reboot, and then you put yes, of course, and it's going to reboot, and it should make your computer a lot faster. Now, those are simple and free optimizers, and it only goes for people, of course, that have a hard drive, or they're running their operating system on a hard drive, of course. Never do it on a solid-state drive. You'll screw up your solid-state drive, of course. But yeah, those are the simple and quick and free optimizers for your computer. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Bye.